Hey, we're hog tying this chicken and we're gonna roast it on the Weber kettle. Reason I say hog tying because I never was good at chicken tying. And now that the hog tying is done on this chicken, we're gonna squeeze out a little bit of butter and we'll use it as our binder. And making sure we get it rubbed all over. We'll flip it over here and get the other side. Well, another little dab of butter on this side. And now I think it's time to grab that SPG and just start seasoning it all over. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good. I love the smell of this SPG I mix up. And now that that's done, we'll put chicken rub on it. Actually, it's a pork and chicken rub. It's what I use all the time on ribs. It is good, but I'm getting awful low on it. I found this at a store and thought I'd try it, and I've been hooked on it ever since. And this is about the only rub. I use this, and I use Head Country seasoning, and there's a couple others. And this is called Atkins Pork and Chicken Rub. And I'm not affiliated with them. I just like buying this seasoning, this rub. Well, I believe it's pretty well seasoned, and it's time to fire up this kettle. And we got the fire started, got a pan with some water and some seasoning in it. Now we're going to get the MeatStick 4X program, and we're going to use it to monitor the internal temperature of this bird. And the internal temperature that I set it for was 175 degrees, but I think I pulled it off. I believe I pulled it off at 171. Now they did an update on the firmware of this MeatStick 4X. Seems to be working perfect now. Everything was good. The only thing I see is when I go to charge it, I go back the next day to check it and it's not fully charged. So I do that. So I push the button to make sure it's charging. Okay, we'll go through this pretty quick. Here we are starting out. We got 65 degrees there. That's about 17 minutes in. And then it goes to 142. That looks like an hour and 11 minutes. And then we go to an internal temperature of 171 degrees. And this is where I pull it off. Now that bird's looking good. We'll get it off of here and we'll get it inside. I'm gonna check it with this. And there's different areas. I don't check where the MeatStick is, but I check the thighs down lower. And they're up there around 180, 175, 180. So, but it's turned out fantastic. Well, if I can figure out how to get them tongs in there, we get it moved though. Well, this bird was perfectly cooked through and through, and it was juicy. Had some crunch on that skin, and it was good. Hey, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I hope you consider subscribing.